Hello there, YouTube and YouTube Short. This is Mick Costa there. Just doing another follow-up on my homemade cab. I'm fixing it up. Welded a bed frame to my frame to level it off. Not the greatest welder, but it'll do. Gonna do the other side too. And may as well do both sides since I got the other part of it. There it is right there. I'm gonna change it. Make it a lot stabler and stronger. The bed frame. I just want you guys to see it. What I'm doing with the bed frames. Oh, me watch. Okay, thank you. Mama B. Me later. It's Coach Mick. Love air. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment. It would help me. Okay, over and out.